Learn basics of HTML in 2 minutes. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of all websites on the internet. It is a language used to create the structure and layout of a web page, and it works alongside other languages like CSS and JavaScript to make website more interactive and engaging. One of the main things to understand about HTML is that it uses tags to define the different elements of a web page. There are many tags in HTML, such as the title tag, the heading tag, the paragraph tag, and a lot more. A basic HTML website is divided into 2 parts. The head element, which contains information about the document, such as the title that appears in the browser's title bar, while the body element contains the content of the web page. Within the body element, you can use a variety of tags to create different types of content. HTML tags are enclosed in angle brackets and usually come in pairs, with an opening tag and a closing tag. The content that you want to be displayed as a paragraph goes in between the opening and closing tags. There are some tags which doesn't need closing tag too. You don't need to memorize all the tags, you can learn them slowly. HTML also uses attributes to provide additional information about an element. For example, the img or image tag uses the src or source attribute to specify the path of the image. To create your first website with HTML, you will need a text editor to write your code in. Once you have your text editor set up, you can begin by creating a new document and saving it with the file extension .html. This tells your computer that the document contains HTML code. Every HTML document should start with a doc-type declaration. The head section is used to include information about the web page, such as the title that appears in the browser's tab, while the body section is where you will add the main content of your web page. Once you have written your HTML code, you can save the file and open it in a web browser like Chrome or Firefox to see your web page. Congrats, you created your first website.